Ever wondered if the objects of your imagination could turn into reality with just a click? Welcome to the world of 3D printing. This is a realm where digital designs transform into tangible objects, layer by layer, right before your eyes. It's a technology that has revolutionized and continues to shape numerous industries, from healthcare to aerospace and even fashion. But what exactly is 3D printing? In essence, it's a form of additive manufacturing, where a three-dimensional object is created by depositing materials, layer upon layer, based on a digital blueprint. It's an innovative process that has seen immense growth and development over the past few decades, and it's just getting started. We'll be diving into the intriguing history of 3D printing, examining its current state, and exploring the promising future that lies ahead. Buckle up as we journey through time, exploring the fascinating world of 3D printing. The birth of 3D printing might seem recent, but did you know it took its first breath in the 1980s? Yes, indeed. The brainchild of an engineer named Chuck Hull, 3D printing, or as he called it, stereolithography, was first used to create simple plastic models. In the early days, these machines were massive, slow, and expensive, limiting their use to large corporations. As we moved into the 90s and beyond, the technology began to evolve. Innovators across the globe contributed to the development of new materials, faster printing techniques, and more precise designs. By the turn of the millennium, 3D printing was no longer limited to plastic, but could handle metals, ceramics, and even biomaterials. Fast forward to today, and we see 3D printers in schools, homes, and businesses, creating everything from toys to aerospace components. From a far-fetched idea to an everyday reality, 3D printing has come a long way. 3D printing is no longer a concept of the future. It's here, and it's creating ripples across industries. This transformative technology has evolved at an impressive pace, offering new capabilities and overcoming many of its early limitations. Let's delve into the current state of 3D printing. Today, we can create complex geometries and intricate designs that were once deemed impossible, all thanks to the precision and flexibility of this technology. But it's not without its limitations. The speed of 3D printing, for instance, is still a challenge. While it's much faster than before, it's yet to match traditional manufacturing methods in terms of volume and speed. Material limitations also persist, but ongoing research promises to expand the range of usable materials in the near future. Despite these hurdles, 3D printing is making its mark across diverse sectors. The aerospace industry, for instance, is utilizing 3D printing to manufacture lightweight, complex parts for aircraft and spacecraft, improving efficiency and reducing waste. In the healthcare sector, 3D printing is revolutionizing prosthetics, making them more affordable and customizable. Even the fashion industry is not untouched. 3D printed clothes and accessories are starting to make waves on the runway. Several successful projects showcase the potential of 3D printing. In healthcare, a company called Prenatal Life recently 3D printed a model of an unborn baby using ultrasound data, providing expecting parents with a tangible connection to their child. In the realm of architecture, a Dutch company named Cybe Construction has developed a method to 3D print entire houses, offering a potential solution to housing shortages around the globe. These examples underscore the transformative power of 3D printing. It's not just about creating objects, it's about rethinking how we design, manufacture, and even conceive our world. As we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible with 3D printing, we can expect even more exciting developments in the years to come. 3D printing is already reshaping our world, but this is just the beginning. The world of 3D printing is ever evolving, with breakthroughs happening at breakneck speeds. Recent years have seen a surge of technological innovation, pushing the boundaries of what we once thought possible. New materials are continuously being developed, with metals, polymers, and composites leading the charge, broadening the horizons of 3D printing capabilities. Techniques, too, have seen substantial advancements. Faster, more precise, and larger-scale printing methods have emerged, revolutionizing the industry. The evolution of these techniques has led to a level of versatility and customization that was previously unimaginable. Now we can print complex structures with intricate details, something that traditional manufacturing processes could never achieve. All these advancements are not just about speed and precision. They also open doors to new possibilities, from constructing entire buildings to printing human tissues. These innovations are making 3D printing more accessible, more efficient, and more impactful. The future of 3D printing looks promising thanks to these groundbreaking advancements. If you think 3D printing is impressive now, wait until you hear what the future holds. As we look to the horizon, the future of 3D printing is shining bright with potential. Emerging trends in this space promise to reshape not just how we manufacture goods, but how we live our lives. From the creation of personalized products to the building of smart homes, 3D printing is set to revolutionize our world. One of the most exciting trends is the growth of new markets and industries. The construction industry, for example, is beginning to see the benefits of 3D printing. Imagine a world where houses are built faster, cheaper, and more sustainably, all thanks to 3D printing. Then there's the automotive industry, where 3D printing is set to play a pivotal role in the creation of electric vehicles. With the ability to print lightweight, high-strength parts, we could see a new era of efficient, eco-friendly cars. But it's not just about creating objects. The future of 3D printing is also about creating experiences. In the realm of food, 3D printing could allow us to customize our meals down to the nutritional content, opening new possibilities for health and wellness. And let's not forget about space exploration. NASA is already experimenting with 3D printing technology to build parts in space. This could lead to the construction of outposts on the Moon, Mars, and beyond, driving humanity's exploration of the cosmos. In healthcare, 3D printing is set to make even bigger strides. We're looking at a future where bioprinting could enable us to print human organs, a development that could save countless lives. And what about our everyday lives? Imagine a future where you can design and print your own clothes at home, or where your online shopping arrives not as a package, but as a digital file ready to be printed. The future of 3D printing is not just about creating objects, it's about reimagining possibilities. This technology is set to change how we build, how we eat, how we explore, and even how we live. So buckle up, folks, the future of 3D printing is closer than we think. 3D printing is revolutionizing healthcare, making what was once thought impossible, possible. It's transforming the way we understand, approach, and even deliver healthcare. From prosthetics to bioprinting, let's delve deeper into how 3D printing is shaping the future of healthcare. First, let's talk about prosthetics. Traditional prosthetics can be expensive, time-consuming to produce, and may not always provide the perfect fit. But with 3D printing, we can customize prosthetics down to the millimeter, ensuring a comfortable and functional fit for each individual. This technology is not just changing lives, it's making them better. Next, let's move to the cutting edge, bioprinting. Imagine a world where organ transplants don't involve a waiting list, but a printer. While still in its early stages, scientists are making incredible strides in this direction. We are looking at a future where the shortage of organ donors could be a thing of the past, replaced by 3D printed organs made from the patient's own cells. This could revolutionize organ transplants, making them safer, more accessible, and potentially saving countless lives. But the impact of 3D printing doesn't stop at treatment. It's also changing the way we educate medical professionals and patients alike. With 3D printed models, surgeons can practice complicated procedures before stepping into the operating room, increasing the chances of success. Patients, too, can better understand their conditions and treatments, making them active participants in their healthcare. With 3D printing, the future of healthcare is here and now. It's a future where treatment is more personalized, where training is more effective, and where the impossible becomes the possible. And this, my friends, is just the beginning. From healthcare, let's now move to another industry being reshaped by 3D printing: construction. If you thought 3D printing was all about small objects, think again. It's on the verge of changing the way we build our homes, our cities, and our world. Sustainable and affordable housing is a global challenge, but 3D printing could be a game changer. Imagine a world where houses are not built, but printed. A world where construction is not only faster and cheaper, but also more precise and less wasteful. This is not a distant future, but a reality that's unfolding before our eyes. Companies around the world are already using 3D printing to create homes in a matter of hours, at a fraction of the traditional cost. But it's not just about efficiency and affordability. 3D printing is pushing the boundaries of architectural design, enabling the creation of structures that were once deemed impossible. Complex designs, intricate patterns, and unconventional shapes. With 3D printing, the only limit is our imagination. And let's not forget about sustainability. The construction industry is one of the largest contributors to global waste. But with 3D printing, we can significantly reduce construction waste, make better use of materials, and contribute to a more sustainable future. With 3D printing, the future of construction is not just about building better. It's about building smarter, faster, and with a smaller environmental footprint. The future of construction is sustainable, efficient, and innovative. And it's all thanks to 3D printing. From building houses, let's now shift our focus to something a little more delicious. Food. Imagine a world where you can print your food. Sounds like science fiction? Not anymore. Welcome to the fascinating world of 3D printed food. Yes, you heard it right. Food that's printed, not cooked. In the realm of culinary arts, 3D printing is opening up new avenues of creativity and customization. Picture this, a birthday cake with your name not just written but sculpted on it. Or a pasta in the shape of your favorite cartoon character. With 3D printing, these are not just possible but easy and affordable. But it's not just about aesthetics or novelty. 3D printing can play a crucial role in addressing some of the biggest challenges in the food industry. Food waste, for instance. By allowing us to print food on demand, 3D printing can significantly reduce waste. Plus, it can help us make better use of ingredients, and even create new ones. Even more exciting is the potential of 3D printing in enhancing nutritional value. Imagine a world where you can customize your food based on your dietary needs or preferences. A world where food is not just tasty, but also perfectly tailored to your health. With 3D printing, the future of food is not just about eating better, but also smarter and more sustainably. The future of food is customized, nutritious, and sustainable, all thanks to 3D printing. The journey of 3D printing from concept to reality is nothing short of a technological revolution. We've traced the evolution of this groundbreaking technology, from its humble beginnings to its current capabilities and future potentials. We've seen how it's transforming industries, from aerospace to healthcare, and how it's reshaping the way we manufacture and create. The potential of 3D printing is vast and transformative, opening doors to customization, on-demand production, and a more sustainable future. But, as with any revolution, it needs our support and engagement. It's crucial to explore more about this topic, to understand it, to question it, and to contribute to its advancement. Engage in discussions, read about the latest breakthroughs, or even explore how you can incorporate 3D printing into your own life or work. In the realm of 3D printing, the only limit is our imagination. So let's dream, innovate, and shape the future together.